So yeah guys, I think I joined in a server with the hacker because he has, when I joined to this server, he has 97 kill streak, but no one was in. There was only him, and then I joined. Then he already has 97 kill streak. So doesn't make that any sense, but because there's only one people, how can he get so many kill streak? And he also doesn't talk that much. I tried to ask him how he has that many kill streak, but he just won't answer. And also, he's making random moves like a complete noob, like spamming moves without there's nothing hitting it. And if you want proof, here the proof. I literally just joined a few seconds ago and I saw him with freaking 97 kill streak, but no one was here. So the question is, how can he get kill streak if there's no one here? And this is a public server. This is a public server. He's constantly, I'm not sure guys, pure but my curiosity is his hacker because I know he has that so many kill streak, but no one was here. So that's my theory. He might be a hacker, so I'll just link the username in the comments section. If you wanna report him because he look like a hacker, guys. I mean, what the freak? No one was here and he already has that so much kill streak. So let's talk first. I need to hide because he probably will find me. Let's hide here. I'm gonna hide here. Yeah. So here's his username right there. I'll also report him because cheating because I think he's hacking because ain't no way he has that much kill streak but no one's here. Only me and him. So that's it. See ya.